Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm here with the SparkX i7 powered by Creality, and today we are going to attempt our biggest and most complicated multicolor print to date on this machine. We are printing
An octopus.
and it has,
Tentacles.
and it's going to take,
13 hours and 1 minute.
and there's an awful lot of filament changes. How many?
149.
That's a lot of changes. Let's see what kind of filament we're going to work with on this print.
Overture Easy PLA Purple. Bamboo Lab PLA Basic. Elgu White PLA Plus. Overture Easy PLA Blue.
All right, we've got 4 different colors and 3 different brands. Thanks, Overture, for sending over the Easy PLA for these projects. See you in 13 hours.
And 1 minute.
13 hours later, looks like we have ourselves an octopus. Here is the poop. Yeah, it's quite a bit. Nothing more or less than any other printer. Of course, your slicer settings can affect poop, so it's not really a black and white thing. The octopus looks absolutely fantastic and released itself from the bed and its brim all by itself. Here is the prime tower. Here is the prime tower. Here is the jiggly octopus. Here in the eyes, we've got Elegoo White and Bamboo Lab Black. Here underneath on the suckers, we've got Overture Easy PLA Purple, and the main body is Overture PLA Blue. It's worth noting we've got cardboard, plastic, and cardboard. Don't know how well you can see that first layer, but it's absolutely perfect, as is the rest of the print. So, 13 hours, 140 something filament changes, another successful multicolor print with the SparkX i7 CFS Lite. Well, it's been a few days, and I've tried pretty hard to make the SparkX i7 fail. After 2 super fast benches, an absolutely perfect Hello Kitty, and whizzing through this massive multicolor octopus like it was nothing, I have to concede the SparkX i7 works and might be worth your time. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.